Volvo installs air purifying devices in school buses with #BreatheFree as a part of its #BreatheFree initiative. Volvo Cars collaborated with Persapien to create and install a device in school buses which would reduce the PM2.5, turning it into moving air purifiers. Aiming to help create a sustainable future, Volvo mobilized school buses as a symbol of children being the agents of change and future leaders. TVS Motor forayed into EV market with the scooter TVS iQube electric. TVS Motor has forayed into electric vehicles market with TVS iQube electric. Designed with high-tech features, the TVS iQube electric delivers a range of 75 km under eco mode, providing a top speed of 78 kmph. It is equipped with next-gen SmartXonnect technology and powered by 3 Li-ion battery packs and a silent motor to keep you connected on the go. Upcoming Tata Altroz awarded 5 stars in global NCAP adult safety rating. Tata Altroz has received a 5-star adult safety rating from global NCAP, a global car assessment program, cementing its position as the safest India-made hatchback. We would like to encourage all other car manufacturers in India to follow Tata's example and bring affordable 5-star cars to Indian consumers, said President. Global NCAP. Tata Altroz is launching on January 22, 2020. Tesla hits $100 billion value. Elon Musk now eligible for $346 million bonus. Tesla has become the first listed U.S. carmaker to hit a market capitalization of $100 billion. If the market value stays above that level for both a 1-month and 6-month average, CEO Elon Musk will receive the first $346 million installment of a potential $50 billion share-based pay package. Musk has already hit an operational target that's necessary for the award.